Think your business is doing well, but want to know for sure? In this video, you'll learn how to evaluate your performance with the Performance Dashboard. Let's get started. The Performance Standards section highlights Walmart's key performance requirements. Each standard appears as its own tile, giving you a quick snapshot of how you're performing. The Upcoming Standards section is where you'll find new standards that will be enforced in the future. If you use simplified shipping settings to configure your shipping, this dashboard will display those metrics as well. There's also the Other Metrics section. Here you'll find metrics allowing you to keep track of your carrier details and regional performance. To view a detailed breakdown of your metrics, select View Details from one of the tiles. Here you can adjust the data to view your performance across different time frames. When reviewing on-time delivery or valid tracking performance, you can use the All Methods drop-down to view metrics for expedited delivery. You can also download the data as a CSV file by selecting Download Details. You'll see a row of data tiles summarizing key performance indicators related to this standard, including accountability, overall performance and business impact metrics, such as affected orders, and gross merchandise value, or GMV. The remaining performance metrics are separated into categories: seller accountable drivers and non-accountable drivers. This distinction quickly identifies what you can control and what's managed by Walmart, so you can focus your efforts on where they matter most. And that's it. Now you're ready to navigate the Performance Dashboard, explore its metrics, and monitor your performance. Don't forget to watch our other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.